Go ahead and settle into a comfortable seat. Close your eyes. Tune into yourself. Connect to yourself. Put a hand on your heart and say, I am happy to have a human heart. I am happy being a human being. I don't need to be God. I can be a human being. And now try to feel the breath in the body as deeply as you can. Let the hand move up and down with the breath, noticing each breath in and each breath out, feeling your breath more fully, becoming interested in your breath, in that sensation, becoming interested in your breath as it is now. Saying the word inhale each time you inhale. Say the word exhale each time you exhale. Feeling into your heart space. Notice if there's tightness there or resistance to reality or congestion. With your hands on your heart, wish for yourself. May this heart be well. May I take care of this heart. All this heart has ever wanted was to be happy. May I be happy. I accept myself just as I am. I accept what feels right to me just as it is. I accept my feelings. I accept my intuition. I will be totally honest with myself as to everything I feel and everything that happens to me. It is all a part of me and it is welcome. Every experience I have and that I've ever had, it is all a part of my life. I accept it with an open heart. Every experience I've ever had is welcome. I set the intention to be kind to myself now, to be kind to myself in every moment and in relation to every person, no matter how smart or wonderful I think that person is. I will still set the boundaries I need. And I will also be kind to every past version of myself. I will be kind to the version of myself whose wishes come true, who's happy, and the version of myself that is struggling and experiences challenge. I will be kind to the me that sets boundaries and to the me that doesn't, and everything in between. Feel your beating heart and say, me just as I am at every single age and every stage is welcome in my heart. And just acknowledging that you have felt every human emotion and you are fully worthy as you felt every human emotion. There is value to your joy, there is value to your fear, there is value to your happiness, and there is also value to your inner pain. Saying to yourself, I can let every emotion flow through me and turn into strength. I can be honest about every emotion. All feelings are welcome in this body, in this heart. I pay attention to all of them. I am here to feel everything as I make choices that keep myself safe. As long as I have compassion, I have nothing to be afraid of. I will listen to myself and to what I love in this life. I will listen to what gives me energy. I will observe what makes me comfortable and what makes me uncomfortable. I will notice what this heart, this body likes and doesn't like, what is mine and what is not mine. Now, as an adult, I get to decide what is and is not part of my life. Now, as an adult, I get to decide who is part of my life. Today, as an adult, I have full autonomy to pick my path. And I give this heart that is beating in my chest, this heart that is beating under my hand, I give this heart permission to fully honor my worth, to see my inherent value as a human being, and to choose a path that's my path and change the path if I need to. I accept my moods, my states, my uniqueness. I accept my desires. I accept my complexity. And I accept my choice, my independence, my tremendous strength. And I acknowledge that my heart is where it needs to be and as it needs to be in this moment. Even as I grow and change and set intentions, I give myself unconditional support. I am unconditionally on my own side. There is nothing in me that I need to criticize. There is nothing in me that I need to blame. Sending yourself the wish. May I be happy. May I be truly, deeply at peace and happy. And may I feel the support of the entire universe behind me. May I live life in a way that is fully authentic to me. May I feel belonging, first of all, in my own heart. May I feel that I, as I am, belong in my own heart. Feel the warmth of these wishes all around your body, letting these words, images, wishes sink in, and relish this experience of connection to yourself, your strength, your deep value, and your freedom. All of those are there for you eternally. Now take a deep breath in. Breathe out through the mouth. And as you feel ready, coming back, open your eyes.